Hi, I'm Zola. Let's break down short spine massage on the reformer. So first of all, make sure you don't have any neck issues like at all before you do this. This is an inversion, and if you have neck problems, this won't make it any better. My foot bar is down, my headrest is down, of course, always. With any inversions, the headrest is always down. And as for the springs, I'm on a personal hour reformer. I'm on a red and a blue spring. That's kind of like a heavy and a medium on this reformer. If I were on a balanced body, I would do two reds. And of course, if I were on a Grotz or a classical reformer, I'd just do two springs. Let's lie down. And I'm placing the short loops on my feet. So I have the double loops, and of the double loops, I would do the short loops. For me, with the double loops, I like to fold the long loops back so they're out of the way, but that's optional. Heels together and toes apart. Press your legs out to a 45-degree angle. Stand tall in those straps and make sure you pull the abdominals in and up from here. Now, if you're more of a beginner, you start to let the legs reach back. Let the ropes kind of pull your legs back, but of course, you're still pushing your feet into the strap. And gradually, you start to curl the tailbone under and pick your hips off of the mat. You continue to lift the hips and let the legs go back until the carriage comes all the way home. Push the feet into the strap. The tailbone stays lifted as the knees bend. So the straps never go tense. They never go slack here. Now from here, roll down through the spine. I'm keeping my feet where they are. My legs begin to lengthen, and you feel that nice massage on the back of the body, hence the name, short spine massage. Once my tailbone is as far down as I can get it, I hamstring curl my heels to my seat. And again, press out, push into the strap, scoop the belly in, hug the seat, let the legs go back, let the hips peel off of the mat, let the carriage come home. Bend your knees to the shoulder blocks, no wider, and then roll through the spine, leaving the feet there. It feels so good. Now, as you start to advance this exercise, you reach your legs to 45 and the hips lift off of the mat sooner. So I'm going to really hug my seat, hug the midline, lift my hips right away as my legs lift up and back. The carriage comes home. I'm still pushing my feet into the strap. My straps never go loose. Bend the knees. Another way to roll down, you push the feet forward as you roll down through the spine. So it's two ways to do that ending. Both feel so good. Press out, hug the seat, push into the arms. The collarbones are open nice and wide, and the chin stays lifted away from the chest. So don't try to look at your stomach here. Look straight up to the sky. Bend your knees and roll down through the spine. Feels so nice. When you're done, the loops come off of your feet and you put them away. And that is your short spine massage. It's such a lovely exercise. If you have back issues, neck issues, stay away from it. But if your neck is healthy, give it a shot. Maybe the first time you do it, you have someone with you to spot you. But always push the feet into the straps. It gives you good feedback and keeps you safe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.